In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a handful of YouTube thumbnails using Figma and Figma's plugin API. And so just to give you an example of the problem I'm solving, let's just say I have a thumbnail like this. For number 2, it's a very manual setup. I just do like 2 and say test. And that's fine, but it adds up, right? Every little step is a pain in the butt. So I found that there's a JSON or a plugin API that allows me to kind of programmatically do this. And the plugin is called JSON to Content. You see right here, JSON to Content. And so what this allows me to do is I can put in a URL. So in this case, I'm using URL from the automation. Just one limitation is it does have to be a hosted JSON, but that's fine for me. So I'm going to plug that in here. And so actually, if we look at the JSON, this is what it looks like. So I have an ID and a title. Those are these two variables. So if you click in here, you see, unfortunately, I can't zoom that in, but there's an ID and a title. And so this plugin is actually able to connect my JSON. So if you see here, I have actually 7 different thumbnails. So this is the free version. There is a paid that allows you to do this a little nicer, but for now, I believe this is the best way to do it for free. So I create my 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I can I believe I have to click all of them here on the sidebar. And then if I do from URL, you can see in the plugin, it pulled out each one, ID and title. And now if I click iterate, you see, voila. So we have intro here, to toggle cursor size, etc., etc. So unfortunately, it does take this text off. It overflows. So I haven't quite figured out the best way of handling automation for this. So let me know if you have a better idea. Otherwise, I just go in and swap the size as needed and move it around as well. Anyways, hope you learned something today, and see you in the next one.